Hello business owners. Today I'm going to show you our Google Maps Scrapper. It is the most popular Google Maps Scrapper application on GitHub with 2800 plus stars. Really loved by developers. So let me just show you how it works. So here I have to enter the query. I have entered in restaurant and the city that I'm interested in. I have entered in Cupertino, and then all I have to do is to press run. So as you can see, I've started getting results. So I have got very detailed data. As you can see, a lot of key data points are there, and we give it 50 plus data points. So whatever data you need is in here. The task is completed. I have got 219 results in few minutes only. So next I'm just going to export it as a CSV file. And here we have our detailed data. Our Google Maps Scrapper is the most general Google Maps Scrapper on the market. We give you 200 searches free every month. So the search I did here resulted in one task. It consumed only one credit. So you have 199 searches left with you. So you can easily get tens of thousands of leads for free using our tool, which other tools charge hundreds of dollars. We give you for free. Now I suggest watching the detailed demo so you can easily understand our tool in detail.